Ladies and gents, this is more of a vlog style video here. I wanted to make this quick video because I couldn't find this anywhere else on the internet. So when it comes to the Rodecaster Pro 2, I was trying my best to find a way to mute the monitoring for the microphone. What I mean by that is every time I spoke into my mic, I was hearing it in my headphones. I didn't want that because when I play Escape from Tarkov, anytime I talk, it also brings in any type of background noise. And as you can see, I am in a unfinished basement and I can hear the washer and dryer and everything else, and it gets into the microphone and it just causes unwanted sound. Now, if you're like me, here's what you need to do. All right, when you come over to your Rodecaster Pro 2, you'll notice these mute and listen buttons. What you do is you utilize the listen buttons. So if you want to hear the sound pads, your streaming PC audio, and then your gaming PC audio, all you gotta do is hit all of these green listen buttons, and then you'll be able to hear that audio track. Same thing with your mic. If you don't want to hear it, all you gotta do is make sure that this button here is off. And as a result, all you're hearing within your headphones is the stuff that's selected, and this audio will still go out to your streaming PC and your stream overall. I hope this helps.